Have you ever looked for a way to make your complex scenes more clear and readable in Blender? Meet Solid Color Randomizer, an add-on that will change the way you manage your scene and manipulate objects. Solid Color Randomizer is an intuitive add-on that allows you to randomly generate colors for selected objects in the solid mode view. One click and your objects come to life with unexpected, random colors, making the scene finally readable, giving users not only greater control over the aesthetics, but also greater flexibility in navigating complex scenes. With it, you can instantly identify, select and modify elements with the same colors, which speeds up the workflow and increases productivity, so forget about repeatedly selecting the same objects over and over again. To start working, we first need to switch the viewport view to solid mode and activate the object parameter. Please do not confuse this add-on in any way with the random color display system built into Blender, because it is something completely different. The Set Random Color and Copy Color operators are available in the Object menu, but for the convenience of work, we recommend assigning them keyboard shortcuts. I personally use F for Set Random Color and Ctrl-Shift-C for Copy Color. I also suggest assigning a shortcut to Blender's built-in Select Grouped Color operator. In my case, I use a double click with the left mouse button. Now let's see the add-on in action. Thanks to color marking, we can quickly and conveniently select individual parts of the robot. We can also isolate the view from the rest of the model using the local view operator. If you want to assign an individual color of your choice to specific objects, you can do it in the viewport display panel as standard, and then use the Copy Color command, so that the color from the active object will be copied to the other selected objects. The settings available in the add-on's preferences give you full control over the range of minimum and maximum saturation and lightness values for the generated colors. In conclusion, Solid Color Randomizer is a tool that can speed up and simplify your work in Blender, giving you the ability to quickly identify, select and modify selected objects. See for yourself how this add-on can change your workflow. Thank you for watching.